Hey guys, what is up? Everything but that back at you, and today we have another tool review. Today we're going to be reviewing the M12 Milwaukee hammer drill fuel. So basically, this is just the, like I said, M12 hammer drill. I bought this just as the tool only. So as you can see, this is what the tool looks like without the battery. It's quite small. This is a small version. Like I said, the M12, the M18 is obviously a lot bigger, but this is what the M12 looks like without the battery in it. So I'm running the Milwaukee 4 amp hour battery. Like I said, M12. I find you get obviously better battery life out of it than you would a 2 amp hour or 1.5 amp hour. So you put the biggest one you can on there. So if we take a look around the drill right here, we have a metal chuck, which is actually pretty nice. It's pretty durable, pretty heavy duty. It has 16 speeds, an LED light on the front of it, which I mean is bright, but not extremely bright. As you can see, it's angled up a little bit. Now I'm guessing when Milwaukee designed this, they thought that doing the angle up, that way when you go like that, you can get into space is tighter. I really don't know. It hasn't been too much of a disadvantage for me, but I can see maybe in some instances where it could be. So we're gonna run some tests and show you how powerful this is. So yeah, actually before I run the test, just wanted to say that I haven't used this in like a contracting scenario per se. I'm in automotive, welding and stuff like that, small engines, and I was in big trucks for a while. So that's mainly where I've used this. It served me well, putting in deck screws through 2x6s and then through aluminum trailers, drilling out and putting deck screws in. It worked great. So yeah, I just want to say that I haven't used it in a contract use. So today we're going to do some tests on that and see how it works out. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so our first test, we have a 2x6 right here, and we're going to be drilling a couple holes through it, show how powerful it is. Today we're using the Milwaukee black oxide. I think these are just general use drill bits. Like I said, I don't know if it makes a difference that we're using Milwaukee drill bits, but this is what I got. So open it up, as you can see, nice little case here. We're going to be doing the biggest size, so we'll go straight for a 1/2 inch drill bit, and then we're drilling through some 2x6s right here. So we'll drill a couple holes through them and see how it holds up. Drill bit in, tighten it up, tighten it down. So we're gonna go on the drill setting, as you can see. And yeah, so let's just drill a couple holes. As you can see, it does drill pretty easily. Obviously this wood is a little bit wet, so it'll drill easier. It's kind of, I wouldn't say it's rotten on the inside, but the outside's a little soft. So that might be an advantage for this, but we'll go anyway. There, and we'll do one more. Right there, so that one struggled a little bit. But other than that, as you can see, it eats through wood pretty easily. So next, we're gonna change to spade bit, and we'll drill a couple holes with that and show you how that works out. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have the 1.5 inch spade bit in here. These are just some generic spade bits. I don't know, I came in my toolbox and I haven't really used them, to be honest. So this is what we got. So we'll drill a couple holes. Again, this is the biggest size in the set, 1.5 inch. So let's drill some holes. All right, so as you can see, that took a bit of doing, but I just realized I was on the hammer setting, so that didn't help. So we'll redo that and do it on the drill setting. I didn't realize that I switched it over, but I guess that's what it looks like when you use the hammer setting to drill a hole with the spade bit. So move this over, and this is on the drill setting now, and we'll drill another one. Here we go. All right, so as you can see, it did about the same. If anything, it did a little bit quicker, but I find that it does struggle a little bit. I mean, I don't know, like I said, I'm not much into contracting, so I don't know what a good drill should do, how long it should take to drill a hole with the spade bit. But I guess it's pretty quick, but obviously not very quick. So what I'll do is I'll switch it over to setting 16 here. This is the highest setting, and we'll try that, see if it makes a difference at all, and we'll just drill another hole here. Over, and here we go. So as you can see right there, it's stalled out. So that's just on the regular 16 setting. We'll try it again. Okay, so that one obviously took longer than these two, I find. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, like I said, I don't know what a good drill is supposed to do, how long it's supposed to take, but I guess it's not too bad for the size of it with the 4-amp-hour battery. And as you can see, we actually lost a bar when we were doing that. This was fully charged, so I guess it's not too battery efficient, but again, it's got a small battery on it. So yeah, so if you guys like this video, comment, subscribe. Remember, stay fit, love all, and do everything with that. Peace.